Good morning all of you. Now I am going to tell you some information about our practical. We know that our subject is depend upon three subjects. Which are they? Chemistry subject, physics subject and biology subject. We know that in our biology subject, this is the experiment of this our biology subject. This is the microscope. Okay, we know that microscope means what? We look small, okay, small bit or cells in this microscope. Means what? We know that the two type of cells, which are the unicellular and multicellular. We look in these organisms with the help of the microscope. Okay, this is the experiment of our biology subject. Then what? This is the experiment of our chemistry subject. Okay, we know that this is the tripod. Tripod means tivai. This is the copper gauge and this is the china dish. Okay, then what? This is the conical flask. This conical flask is 500 ml conical flask. Okay, then what? This is the pipette means what? ढवळणी म्हणतो आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये. Okay, then what? This is the balance sheet. Okay, means what? When we measure any object with the help of this the balance sheet. Okay, then we know that these are the chips of small unicellular organisms, and this is the stand of test tube. Means what? We stay in this stand of this test tube. Okay, these also conical flask, and some are, we know that substances, there are three parts of substances, which are the solid substances, liquid substances and gaseous substances. When we do any experiment of this lab, okay, some we use, when we reaction any chemicals, we use some solid substances, some liquid substances also. Okay, we know that this is the acetic acid. What is the formula of acetic acid? CH3COOH. Okay, only we write in our class molecular formula, but this molecular formula is as it is the solution of this bottle. Then this is the sodium bicarbonate. What is the formula of sodium bicarbonate? NaHCO3. Okay, correct. Okay, we know that. Then another, these are the another experiment of our lab. This is the test tube stand. Means what? How we put in this test tube in our stand, this type. Okay, when we do any solution or any chemical reaction, mix of two chemical reaction, then this chemical reaction, when we heated this chemical reaction, then on this side in this test tube two chemicals are combine each other. Okay, means what? Sodium hydroxide with HCl. Okay, this chemical, when we combine this in this test tube, then when on heating, then we gives to another chemical.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव नरवाडे ज्ञानेश्वरी सतीश आहे. मी इयत्ता 10वी वर्गात शिकते. आम्ही आज प्रॅक्टिकल करायला आलेलो आहोत. आम्हाला मिस प्रोजेक्ट बनवायला लावतात. मिस आम्हाला वारंवार प्रॅक्टिकल करून दाखवतात. प्रॅक्टिकल करून मिस आम्हाला 3 म्हणजे फिजिक्स, बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री हे तिन्ही विषयाचे प्रॅक्टिकल करून घेतात. त्या प्रॅक्टिकल करण्यामुळे आम्हाला सायन्स विषय हा अगदी सोपा जातो.
My name is Pranita Vivekananda Dhongde. My school name is Kakas English School and Semi English School Latur. As we all know that our teacher told us that the information about the experiment, the microscope, what do we use for that. Then we have different types of charts there. We can look. There are different types of charts. These are depend upon different types of experiment, different types of information about our body, about the surrounding, everything. Then we can see that there are different types of information in this chart. The current, electricity and management. Then different types of cells. Then we can about the earth, about the surrounding. Then about the science. What are the use of the what are the use of the instruments of the experiment we use for that.
Science time, oh it's science time.